Soft like a pillow.
In our mission to make bucket list dreams come true, we met Lara. And she told us her biggest bucket list dream was
making pasta and being on a cooking show.
So for the first time, we decided to do 2 in 1. And luckily, we had Chef Ka to make this happen.
Now, you might be thinking, wait, a Chinese chef teaching pasta? Why not an Italian? Well, Chef Ka isn't just an ordinary chef. He spent years perfecting global cuisines, trained in some of the top kitchens, and built a name for being one of the best pasta maker in the industry.
So we prepped the set, fired up the cameras, and kicked off our new brand cooking show.
So here I am, trying to make my dream come true.
But wait, we need a name for the show, right?
Welcome to Denim's Kitchen.
The first dish we're gonna make is ricotta gnocchi with porcini cream and roasted mushrooms.
I love gnocchi.
All right, Laura, first things first, we're gonna make parm cream. So you wanna add some olive oil,
Love it.
some garlic, sliced onions,
How many times have you made this dish before?
at least 100.
Ah,
Like 100
okay.
times. In really big batches.
This is like baby.
So you wanna cook the onions just about soft. Good rule of thumb, keep it low and slow. So originally the sauce should be white, so it's Parmesan cream. Cream is white. If you burn it, the taste will be bitter. And when it's bitter, it belongs in the garbage.
Yeah, I've done that before.
So now we're gonna add some salt because when you make a sauce, when you're sauteing the vegetables, that's when you should add the salt. When the salt reduces in the vegetable, it brings out the caramelization. Nice.
Yeah.
Add some much. Now we add the water.
Okay. Smells good.
So now we're gonna make caramelized onions. So you wanna start with adding olive oil.
Okay.
So now we want to wait for the oil to heat up because you want that initial sizzle. Like, if you don't hear that, then you're just cooking from cold and it's gonna be watery.
Question. Do you wait for the pan to heat up before putting the oil, or do you put the oil and then wait for the oil to heat up?
For caramelized, it doesn't really matter.
No? Okay.
If you're cooking meats, like steak, however, I will wait till the pan is hot and then you add the oil. But you don't cook meat with olive oil because olive oil turns bitter.
Right. So I lost my argument. Okay.
Another way to tell if oil is hot is how it's getting runnier
Yeah.
because cold oil is more solidified.
Right.
People say splash water in the oil to check if it's hot. Do not do that.
No.
You're gonna create a fire.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah. Nice.
All right.
You hear that sizzle?
I did hear that sizzle.
So that's what you want when you're making caramelized onions. So while this is cooking, we're gonna work on something else. We're gonna strain this.
Okay.
So this is porcini base. It consists of dry porcini, chanterelle, morel, all the exotic mushrooms, and then the herbs, of course, rosemary, thyme.
Smells so good.
So this is what you want in your mushroom soup.
Oh.
Next, so this is done simmering. This was the parm cream.
Right.
So now I'm gonna buzz the sauce.
Cool.
And I'm gonna slowly add the parm as I blend it. When cream gets colder, it gets thicker.
Yeah.
So don't stress out if it's not thickened here, not runny. However, you want it slightly thick, but you don't want it too thick. So next we're gonna make the porcini cream.
Cool.
So first things first, you cut some mushrooms. So now you wanna add the olive oil. Now you wanna add half of the mushrooms, please. You hear that sizzle? 2 pinches, please.
I love thyme.
All right, Lara, so now we're gonna make a ricotta gnocchi. You excited?
So excited.
Yes.
Best part.
Good story. This is my daughter's favorite dish. First,
Excited.
let's scoop the ricotta into the bowl, please. You always want to start on speed 1.
1.
So you want it a little higher. So you want to fluff the ricotta. Add a
Nutmeg.
fresh nutmeg. Yeah,
My
okay.
mom loves that one.
So now, after everything's mixed, we're gonna fold in the flour.
Cool.
So this is the eggs, parm, ricotta, nutmeg, salt and pepper.
Yum.
So now, I like to make a well. A well like this. I'm gonna fold in the flour. Dot it with your fingers.
Look at that.
Right, so now, to test the texture of the dough, you should have your hand just touching it. It should be tacky, but not sticky. You see what I mean?
Nice.
Okay.
I see that.
So now we're gonna cover it,
Okay.
and then we're gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
And while we wait for that, we're gonna finish the porcini cream.
Cool. Let's do it.
Mushrooms are roasted.
Yeah, they look
Now we're
great.
gonna add the caramelized onion.
Sounds good. Oh, I could just eat this plain.
Add the liquid.
All of it?
All of it.
Let's do it.
So the dough is rested. So what you want to do now, you want to break it up into quarters.
Quarters.
So it's easier to manage. Just cut it like that. It's a cutting cake. So you see how the dough is?
Looks so good.
So you want to dust the board one more time.
Okay.
So we're going to be rolling into cigars
Nice.
and cut into pillow size.
I'm so excited.
Sometimes if there's too much flour on the board, it makes it harder to roll. So you want to start from the middle and push your way out to the sides. So you see how it's getting too long, too hard to handle. Then you break into a small piece. You line it up like this, about an inch thick.
Okay.
Like that. So the reason why I push it forward, because if you just do straight down, it will compress it into one ball again. So when you push it, you're kind of pushing it away, and then it's also incorporating more flour in between, so it's more looser. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna cut some mushrooms, just in half.
Ah, that looks
Nice
so
and easy.
smooth.
Nice and easy. Wash your fingers. Now you want to add in the mushrooms, please. Sauteing. You want to start with the pepper?
Yeah. Alrighty.
With the salt, the thyme. So now we have the water here.
For our gnocchi.
We're going to use it to blanch the gnocchi that we made earlier.
Okay.
So now do you want to add the seasoning?
Yeah.
So when you cook pasta, the water should be as salty as the sea.
My workout for the day. Oh.
A little more. Now we're going to make the sauce. I would add 2 to 1 because this is very strong.
Got it. Yum. There's a name for that technique.
This one?
Yeah.
It's mostly just stirring. Just stirring. It's just stirring. But don't use a spoon like this because you're getting the metal into the sauce. Yeah.
We're gonna call it denim stirring because we need it.
So since the gnocchi is freshly made,
Yep.
they don't take too long to cook.
As soon as they float.
As soon as they float, yeah. Now, Lara, you want to grab the gnocchi, throw it in there.
With my hands?
So you can just slide it in. Yeah. A little bit lower so the water doesn't splash. Yeah. Just let
So you just let it rise?
Just let it rise. All right. The gnocchi's floating. What do you do?
You take it out.
Yeah. There.
Oh shit, directly inside.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Beautiful. All right, Lara, let's do a taste test.
It's gonna be hot, right?
Yeah, just careful.
Oh my god, yum.
It's good.
That's so good.
Taste the porcini.
I taste everything. But
Ready
it
to play?
tastes good.
Moment
Yeah.
of truth.
Look at that sauce.
Use your hand. Sprinkle wherever you want. More generous. Yeah.
That was actually perfect. That was perfect.
Perfect.
Cheers. What's the perfect bite? Just one?
Sauce, gnocchi, mushroom,
Okay.
everything. With parm, of course. Yeah.
We're gonna do it at the same time.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Soft like a pillow. That's what you want.
That is actually insane. That is so good. It just melts in my mouth.
Try.
Boom! All thanks to him.
Good work.
Ricotta gnocchi. Potato gnocchi. Because this is good.
Yeah. All right, let's go to the next dish. All right, for this next dish, we're making a spring summer light pasta. The same ricotta gnocchi we used earlier.
Love
with
it.
Mushroom.
Love it.
This dish is super simple. Let's add the salt into the boiling water. You add the snap peas and then half of the zucchini. We're gonna blanch the gnocchi. Yeah, slide it in carefully. So as this pan gets hot, so you want to add the olive oil, just lightly blanched. So that's that. So you want to bring it into a plate like that. So the reason why we do it this method, you do not want to add it directly to the hot oil.
Why? Saute.
Saute. And now we're going to add butter. We're going to add a little bit of the pasta water. You see how it's getting thicker?
Yeah.
That's because of the starch from the water is acting with the butter. Yeah. Let's take out the gnocchi from the water.
That looks so fresh.
So you want to keep emulsifying?
Yeah, let's do it.
You want to add 2 pinches of parm?
Parm.
Yep. Beautiful.
That's as far as I can get
practice
it.
with rice. So you see the creaminess?
Yeah.
See the
So
creaminess? All right, Lara, you play this one.
Let's do it. All right. Am I just dripping it from the pan, or do I have to like scoop it out?
Just scoop it out.
All right, let's scoop it out.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Now try to showcase the snap peas, the open pods.
I have to put them at top, right?
Try not to put it into the center. Maybe go around.
Sounds good. Wow. Look at that. Wasn't that perfect?
Yes.
Did you guys get that? That was so good. Ta-da! Oh, I thought you were gonna tell me to stop putting. Boom.
I love cheese.
We all love cheese. So good. Final shot. I need to get one with everything, right?
I'm just digging in.
Okay, same.
Very velvety.
It's insanely
Seasoning is free.
easy. So good. So easy. Yeah, there was nothing.
I'll
So
make it
good.
every day. I'll make it every day.
I would make it any day. Any day and every day. I didn't memorize the recipes. Truly incredible. I mean, this was so out of my comfort zone. So get out there and take those items off your bucket list.
Aside from cooking, my other hobbies are into denim and I love boots. I also work for Red Wings Shoes, so that's my other passion.
So, pasta and cooking show, check.
We're the Bucket List Bandits. Please tell us what your favorite pasta is, and we'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.